A US think tank has said that Philippines doesn't have the command control communications computers intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities to use the Brahmos missiles effectively. NewSpace Research and Technologies has successfully tested a long-range SatCom link for command control communication computing and intelligence functions of a swarm drone at 4,200 meters altitude in Ladakh. Former senior advisor to the US State Department Ashley Tejas has said that India must create enabling conditions for US original equipment manufacturers to come to India and set up shop and work with their partners here. A HAL official has said that there have been some software-related issues in integration, and work is underway to address these issues, and HAL is aiming to deliver the first Tejas Mark 1A fighter jet by the 15th of August. Bharat Electronics Limited has won a 230 crore rupees export order from Thales Reliance Defence Systems for the manufacture and supply of transmit-receive modules used in airborne radar systems. The Indian Army is planning to procure around 30-man portable lightweight passive detection and countermeasure system to counter UAVs. India has seized a large consignment of banned chemicals bound for Pakistan from China that is known to be used in riot control and as an incapacitating agent during warfare. The 3 new upgraded Kalvari submarines will be 10 meters longer than the previous 6 Kalvari submarines that will offer increased space for crew weaponry and advanced onboard systems. Pakistan Air Force is eyeing to procure older Turkish F-16 fighter jets and modernize its existing F-16 with Turkish-made air-to-air missiles. An Indian Air Force contingent has reached Australia for participating in exercise Pitch Black 2024 that involves participation of 140 aircraft from various air forces. India has asked Russia to expedite the deliveries of the S-400 air defense system, on which the Russian side has told India that they would be able to deliver the 4th Squadron by March 2026 and the 5th Squadron by October 2026. The 2 remaining squadrons were expected to be delivered by 2024, but it got delayed due to ongoing conflict with Ukraine. Amid reports that Hindustan Aeronautics is facing a hurdle in its Tejas Mark 1A program due to delayed F-404 engine deliveries from US firm General Electric, new media reports indicates that under the contract signed in 2021 for a fresh batch of 99 F-404 engines valued at $716 million, General Electric has not delivered a single engine till now. HAL is now considering to utilize a combination of reserved F-404 engines and some engines used on older prototypes to power the initial Tejas Mark 1A batch, with an aim to keep production moving while awaiting General Electric deliveries. India is evaluating a proposal for joint production of American Javelin third-generation anti-tank guided missile with transfer of technology. The shoulder-fired Javelin weighs only 22.3 kilograms including the missile launcher and sights, which is significantly lighter than DRDO-developed man-portable anti-tank guided missile, which weighs around 29 kilograms without its tripod. The man-portable anti-tank guided missile is still undergoing user trials, and its completion of development and user trials is still estimated to be 3 years away. Despite the Javelin's potential, India also intends to continue development of its man-portable anti-tank guided missile for the long term, and the Army is reportedly considering an order for nearly 40,000 Javelin and ATGM orders in the long term. The Army ordered 1,300 Armado armored light specialist vehicles from Mahindra Defence in 2021, and the Indian Army is now planning to place additional orders for Armado vehicles in response to the rising incidence of sniper attacks and ambushes in the Kashmir Valley. It offers ballistic protection of up to B7 level, safeguarding the crew from small arms fire and shrapnel. Today's top 3 comments.